which will automatically knock out godfatherism from our politics. You see, you hear when a serving national chairman of our party is calling elected governors that they are children. Does he think that children don't grow? Or there is a life perpetual on him? We need to watch our language. It shows to me that it is him that is immature. To have an egalitarian society, restructuring is the answer. We want Nigeria to survive as a nation. That is why we are agitating that Nigeria must be restructured and our political and economic powers must derive legitimacy from the people. Nigeria is growing through various crises today because some leaders are stubbornly against restructuring. But I want to assure this gathering and the good people of Rivers State that by the grace of the Almighty God that we serve, whether now or in the future, Nigeria, our country, will be restructured. Some people are abusing Governor Wike, that is a troubleshooter. Those abusing him as an elder, as a father in this party, I am directing them. They must stop immediately because Governor Wike is only fighting for justice, for equity and fairness in our party. He is not only a strong pillar in this party, but a mobilizer, a financier, and an actualizer. Since he joined the PDP, he has not left this party. I am also a founding father of the party, and since 1998, I have not left this party. What we are saying is that the issue of the national chairman of PDP must be addressed before the commencement of the campaign for 2023 general elections. It is an antithesis and against the norm and culture of our party that our presidential candidate, our national chairman, and the chairman of the Board of Trustees will come from one section of the country. Party members from the South are already feeling alienated. PDP is not a private company. Before we start the presidential campaign at the end of this month, the national chairman must go to the South. This is all Governor Wike is saying. And as a life member of the Board of Trustees of our party, I support this position 100%. Statutorily, it is the national chairman who hands over the party's flag to our presidential candidate. How will party members of the South feel when they see that at all political rallies, Southerners have no public political representation? This constitutes a fundamental flaw and lack of inclusiveness, which will be diametrically opposed to the original thinking of the founding fathers of our party. Maybe if Ayu had remained perpetual in the party, he would have learned the ropes much better. Governor Wike is not saying anything out of anger. He's only telling the truth to power. We don't want to have, please listen, we do not want to have a Northern People's Democratic Party and a Southern People's Democratic Party. We don't want to go into election divided. Don't let them remind us that this is the time for the amalgamation to be revisited. Nigerians, we have to be extremely careful as we move around. What is good for the goose is good for the gander. That is why the national chairmanship must come to the South now as a matter of urgency. We're not begging for it. We demand it because it is our right.